Hi, this is Umar. Nifty has closed in the green for the fourth straight day, ignoring all the bad news from coronavirus, and markets are now focusing only on global cues and the absence of national-wide lockdown on business operation and central banks liquidity support. NSE Nifty 50 gained 0.8% to 14,942. Larsen & Toubro contributed most of the index gain, increasing nearly 3.9%, and Coal India rising around 7.5%. 1214 stocks advanced and 560 stocks declined. And if you observe the chart, you can see a doji pattern formed today also. Moreover, trading range for the day remained extremely narrow inside 70 points, which was lesser than the previous session, which was around 100 points. And these things indicate market momentum is weakening and the upside is limited. And based on my experience, I can tell you this kind of back-to-back narrow session will result in a sudden reversal. Unless the Nifty makes a strong up move and closes above 1545, we cannot expect any sustainable upside. On the option side, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000 followed by 13,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000 followed by 15,500 strike. Call rating was seen at 15,700 and 15,400 strike, and put rating was seen at 14,000 then 14,500 strike. And still I believe 15,000 is going to be a strong resistance. We have a good amount of naked calls return above 15,000 and 15,200, and we haven't squared off, and I strongly believe there should be a strong reversal. In case market doesn't reverses, we will see what we can do, and we will see how to manage our position. So that's why we are here, right? We don't want any losses. We are just here to try to manage our position if thing goes wrong. That is the first thing. And second thing, if you come to our this mock trading, some people come and tell, some subscribers come and tell, sir, you are doing some adjustment. Actually, we did adjustment. We did an iron condor last week, and I think we sold 15,000 call and 14,500 put, and 100 strikes away we bought the put and call. Now some people come and tell, and we did an adjustment last Thursday, predicting the weekend, and there is only 3 more trading session. We predicted there is going to be a theta decay, and we did an adjustment. The adjustment we did is we bought I think 14,500 put, right? Let me show you. I have the trade, and that adjustment was done to protect, since the market moved from 14,600 to 15,000 very quickly, and just 100 points away we sold put option to protect our iron condor, which is going to be in the loss. So why we did the adjustment? In case if 15,000 is breached on Monday, that is today or tomorrow, we will not be able to do the adjustment today or tomorrow. That's why we did it on Wednesday, because premium is going to be eroded. Since there is only 3 trading sessions, we had to do the adjustment on Wednesday, that is on Friday, that is last Friday. And some subscribers are telling, sir, we did adjust, this adjustment we know, if we buy call, we sell put, upside is protected, and if we buy, we sell call, downside is protected. What about the other side? If market reverses, then there will be a loss. We want a trading strategy with no loss, good risk reward, weekly option. We need a strategy in weekly option, and we need a strategy without big margin requirements, margin money. Let me tell you, my friends, it is impossible. You cannot find any such strategies in the market, and if you find one strategies, let me know. I will develop that strategy. I will give you better strategy than whatever you are going to give me. There is no such strategy with good risk reward, no risk, and with less margin, and you want to make money quickly is impossible. You have to be patient in the market to make money. And you think I'm just coming to YouTube and I'm just telling do that this and all. Those trades are actually the trade which I have done, and I'm going to show you now. I will show you. You don't think I'm just coming and bluffing here. Those are the trades which I have taken in my account. Okay, I've logged into my Zerodha account. I'm going to position, and if you see the first 5 thing, this is an N condor. I have sold 14,200 put, bought 14,100 put, and again I have sold 15,000 call and 15,100 put. And last Wednesday I did a correction in mock trade, same correction I have done here also, and you can see the profit and you can do the max. The trade is around 5,000 rupees profit, and tomorrow if the market gaps up or it stays wherever it is, or even if it gaps down 100 points, this profit is going to be double, maybe 10,000 it is going to be in profit, because there is only two more trading session, Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday is going to be a holiday, trading holiday. There is no that theta decay is going to be very good. That is why we have done the adjustment. And if you want strategies where there is no risk, this is not the place. I am telling you. You not only here, you go anywhere, you will not find a strategy without risk. All strategies involve risk. That is the stock market. Without risk, you cannot do anything. And I am telling you, weekly option is not going to help you at all. This is not our primary trade. Primary trade is something else. This is our secondary trade. And if you tell me that thing will go loss, if the market, obviously it will go loss. That's why we are not dependent on only one strategy. We do some other strategy, we deploy some other strategy. If this goes wrong, that is going to be in profit, and if that goes wrong, this is going to be in profit. This is how we manage things here. We don't rely on one strategy and believe that strategy is going to make money. That is what we have been telling from the start, that you need lots of money to make money in the stock market. You come with less money and you believe one strategy is going to make you money. That is extremely wrong, and you will have to need lots of money to deploy more and more strategies. You have to work on more than 1 or 2 strategies at the same time. If one thing goes wrong, some other strategy is going to work. If call is going to make a problem, put is going to give you a profit, and if put is going to give you a trouble, call is going to make a profit. So this is how things work here. That's what I am trying to say. I am not telling anything wrong, but I am trying to make understand how things work here. So this is what the trade is, and we have made a profit. And I'm again telling you, I'm not just bluffing, and I'm not just telling you do that, do this. Whatever trade I am doing here, I am telling you, and this is how things work here. If you deploy an condor, and if thing goes wrong, this is how we do the management. And if you are a risk taker, you can sell more. And if an condor is going on the upside, your call side is being breached, you sell more and more puts. You will be in profit only. And if it reverse also, you need to be in profit, or you want to be in limited risk. There is no way. You have to do some other adjustments only. So I'm not discouraging you. I'm just trying to explain how things work here. So that's it for today. I think I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.